Craftsmanship, dependability, peace of mind. You want what's best for your customers when it comes to their vehicles. At VELCRO Companies Automotive, we understand this passion for the pursuit of excellence. That's why for nearly 3 decades, we've partnered with automotive manufacturers and suppliers to share our rich history of innovation, quality, and customer care. Born of humble hook and loop beginnings, VELCRO Companies now owns hundreds of patents worldwide, offering a diverse array of premium fastening solutions. Your time is valuable, and the ability to push innovative product to market intelligently and efficiently is a must. Further, all VELCRO brand products are subject to rigorous, hands-on quality testing throughout the manufacturing process. We work tirelessly to ensure that sound design, superior build, and clean aesthetics are inherent in everything we do. Backed by an iconic name and a proud heritage of customer satisfaction. At VELCRO Companies Automotive, this is what drives us.